Hi guys, welcome to Ambionics Workshop. So this is a section of the channel where I'm just going to be going through random things that I want to show you where I haven't necessarily got time to do lighting, camera, etc. and heavy editing. So it's a single shot, but it's just something that happened today and I'd like to share it with you. And you can expect more of these kinds of videos as well in this part of the channel. So without any further ado, let's get on to it then. Thanks guys. Just a quick video here. So I was halfway through actually doing some work on Sol's motorized wrist and the phone went. So it turns out Sol was doing PE and this little safety mechanism here is kicked in. So what we have here is a molded polyurethane adapter which screws on with aluminium thread straight into this. So everything is flexible. Polyurethane is flexible and the actual socket itself is flexible. And it holds its form by the rigid structure of the hand adapter. And if it takes a bang or a knock, rather than anything splitting or breaking, it just literally pops off. Like this. You need to give it a good knock to get all four of them off. So what I'll have to do now is just reattach the adapter, put the hand back on and run it down to school. It should take about 20 minutes. Yeah, I'll film this while I'm working. Ooh. So now you can see inside the socket, and you can see it has these struts running all the way up that the M4 aluminium machine screws fit into. So we just realign this. Just realign it like that. One. 3, 4. It would be a lot easier if I could bother to recharge my handheld screwdriver. But I just want to get this back on his arm quickly as possible so he can play out with his friends. Okay, that's on good and tight now. Over the years, so this hand and adapter have been in use since 2018, I think April or so. So we're like 2021 now, coming up to Halloween. And there's a little bit of wear and tear on the base over the years, and all I have to do is create basically a spacer that would fit around the lock like this. That's it, ready to go. So we're ready, back in motion, everything working as it should, and ready to get back on my kid's arm. There we go. So I'll, if anybody wants me to do a video showing how to make these magic little things, so it's just 2-part polyurethane. I use silicone molding and PLA master copies. Put a comment in the comments and I could do a video on that for sure. Likewise, showing you how to make these and how to adapt existing terminal devices to something that you can play with, something that you can work with in real life. There we go guys, thanks for watching this really quick video. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more content. As and when little things come up like this, I'm going to do a rough and ready single shot vlog to keep you guys into the loop as to what it is that I do behind the scenes. But today I'll just give you a quick look. So today is all about increasing the power for Sol's Bionic arm. Stay tuned.